Be an early bird for Spring Bootcamp and enjoy real human classes with our native teachers. These lessons are private lessons. You can take classes 30 minutes at a time. Your own course manager that would help you track your progress and document every step of your learning process with Global Spanish. You'll also get our free digital 2,000-word flashcards valued for $999. Also get your Spanish Ultimate Handbook that will help you on your step-by-step learning process with Spanish and English. Also get lifetime access to the conversational club that happens every Saturday. We will also give you a bi-weekly progress report. It's a report of your progress on speaking and learning Spanish. You will have a direct access to a student-only customer support. You also have exclusive access to your self-paced course that you can take anytime, any day. Oh, by the way, we can also custom the topics that you want to learn.
I really enjoyed my Spanish lessons with Valeria because it feels like every lesson and activity that she has planned is made specifically for me, for the way that I travel, where I travel, what my interests are. It's going to be important for me when learning Spanish.
Topics custom made on your next travel to Latin America or Spanish-speaking country. Topics about beauty, business, political topics. You will take a practical test. Once you pass, right, you will get a Global Spanish certification that certifies you graduated on this specific course with us. And you can move on to the next stage of your Spanish proficiency. Also get a chance to get featured in all of our social media and also our Facebook group, thousands and thousands of members. You can also get featured on our email list where we share your story of your progress to our audience. You can try Global Spanish.
Global Spanish.
Global Spanish.
Global Spanish.
Only $2.99.